Hi friends. So in this week's Sunday setup, you clearly see what I need to tackle today, which is cleaning up this complete disaster of a living room that just has gotten out of hand. I know you're probably wondering, Gia, how does it get like this? How does it get like this? Well, you know, we just have a lot going on right now, to be honest, and it's not an excuse, it just is what it is. I am building a membership site, I'm writing an ebook, I'm managing and uploading to 2 channels. My kids are still digitally learning half of the day, and then the other half of the day they're just at home with me. So it's been hard, and you know, most of my time just goes to my family. And at the end of the day, I just don't have the energy or mental capacity to deal with this mess. Sometimes I don't have the mental energy to clean, and that's okay. But then when you do have the energy to clean, you gotta clean. So I only do it when I have the energy, when I have the mental energy, and today is that day. So we are tackling this, we're dusting, we are using my little green machine to clean the carpets, we're vacuuming, I mean, all of the above. And it feels really, really good. It felt really, really good to get this done. So I'm really happy. Enjoy this Sunday setup. Hopefully this will motivate you to get something done, or it'll let you know it's okay if your house looks like this, and you will get to it when you have the time and when you have the energy. Okay, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate all your love. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching my channel. And because of that, I have a small surprise for you at the end. So enjoy this video. But before I do this cleaning, I've got to do this cooking first, sis, because after I clean this, I know the likelihood of us ordering out or me not cooking is very high. So while I have the energy, let me go ahead and cook first. Dinner is easy tonight, because you know when you see these cards, girl, that means it's a Green Chef night. Got my Green Chef box over the weekend, and I'm just looking through to see what to make. If you're not familiar with Green Chef, I've worked with them several times these last couple of months, and I've been really loving the convenience of it. Basically what it is, they send you a box. The box has 3 meals, the instructions, and every single thing you need in here to cook this meal, and it's the precise amount. So I wouldn't have to go out and buy a whole stock of celery. They give you just the amount of celery that you need, which is 1 3/4 ounces to cook this meal. And that's how it is. It's so convenient, so easy. I love it so much. My parents get a box every once a month as well. It's just easy during this time, especially if it's so busy. It's the end of the school year, and it is so convenient. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. If you'd like to get $90 off across your first 4 Green Chef boxes, just go to greenchef.us/90gia and enter the code 90gia to get a $90 off. And they have all different types of boxes for any kind of dietary restrictions. Just click the link below to find out more information. So I'm really excited. I think tonight what I'm going to make, I don't know if I should make the patties. Babe, do you think we should have the beef patties with mushroom gravy and the coconut shrimp soup? Like, you and I can have this, and then I can make the beef patties for the girls, or
as long as you make it with love, it'll be perfect.
Everything's made with love, baby. I'm gonna make this. My girls aren't gonna eat this, but they will eat some version of this. Like with the patties, I'll make them little sliders, and then we'll just share the veggies. And then my husband and I will eat the sausage or whatever. It comes in a bag. So see, this bag is labeled veggie, Cajun sausage and veggie skillet, and this one is the beef patties and mushrooms. So then everything that's in here, boom, is for this recipe. Correct amount of cheese, you know, the correct amount of collard greens. It's just nice. Instead of me going to buy a whole pack of mushrooms, I now have just the exact amount of mushrooms that I need for this meal, which cuts down on waste, which is nice. You know, you don't feel like you're being wasteful. Especially if you buy all the stuff to make one particular recipe, and then let's say you don't use it, and before it goes bad, you end up just throwing it away. I know I used to do that a lot, so I try to make everything stretch. So you go ahead and get started. We have it. I love the seasoning that they gave to put on the vegetables for this Cajun sausage and veggie skillet. It came with this blackened seasoning. So I added some broccoli because I made the girls broccoli as well with their little mini sliders, and then the collard greens and the mushroom gravy that came with the burgers I will make later on this week. I love that you can like mix and match it however, you know, with whatever fits your family. All right, first things first, I gotta get rid of all the camping stuff. I'm gonna move all the camping stuff out of the family room because I have some bins that I got from Costco. I'm gonna try to organize all that stuff. I just need to get this stuff out of here so I can vacuum and just dust and all that stuff. Okay, let mommy get up at the top first. Okay. Alright, now you can dust the rest.
Thank you.
Yeah, I see it. I wish you guys can see how big this cobweb is.
It's like huge.
Up here. It's like right in the corner right there. But it's because it's so bright in here from the windows that, I mean, I have my pole extended all the way to the...
It's right there. I think they
I see it. I see it. Yep, and now we're getting that baby down. Okay, y'all, so I vacuumed really well in here, and I gotta get rid of these spots. This
is my.
let's see, where else? Here. You know what the culprit is? Okay, because it took us a while to figure out what is going on with the carpet. Kinetic sand. Yes, kinetic sand. This is kinetic sand, and I had to go in the trash after that because I just can't deal with it. So I'm gonna take my little green machine here and see if I can get these spots out. All right, this is the first spot here. And so what I'm gonna do is see if my little green machine can get this baby out. These spots out here. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna pre-treat the other spots as well.
A few moments later.
All right, so I sprayed all the spots, and now I'm gonna try to scrub it first with this there's a little brush handle underneath here. I did a whole video about this little green machine. Tap the eye right here, I think, to watch it, but all right, I'm gonna try to scrub this out. This will just have to do until I do a major carpet clean again, and it's about time for me to do that soon anyway. Here. This is the first little section. It's looking really good. Except for this spot right here. Let's see if I can go over that again. Boom, it's gone. This little thing works great. It's right, it was right there. All right, let me work on the other sections here. If you're like me and you just want to see the dirty water, okay, it's in there. I didn't do a lot today, but I don't know if you can see that. See? Look at all these spots though, sis. I got them all up. It was over here. It was all over here. You remember what it looked like before. I got them all up. It looks great. Here we are, y'all. It is so clean in here. You remember what it looked like before, you guys. I'm so happy. Everything's dusted and clean. The corners, the window sills, the ceilings. I did a really good job dusting the ceiling with the long pole. I'm just really happy. Now it's time to eat. At least I know what I'm going to be making now, and with my green chef. And I need to figure out what I'm going to do with the camping gear. I got to organize that, and I'll film that as well. You remember what it looked like, girl. You couldn't even see the floor, and it had been like that for several days. The camping gear was in there, the girls' toys. You're probably wondering, Gia, how the heck did it get like this? I always get the comment, well, if you just pick up after yourself, if you just do like 10 minutes a day, listen, that doesn't work for everybody, sis. Okay, sometimes my brain is just in overload and I just don't have the mental energy to deal with anything except for what I'm focusing on. It's hard for anybody who's like clean, like, or a neat freak to understand, but those who suffer from decision fatigue before and is not naturally domesticated like a good homemaker naturally, you get me. And that's why I follow a lot of different content creators on TikTok that talk a lot about this. It's been actually really rewarding. One of my favorites is Domestic something, I can't remember, but I'll put it up here. I watch her all the time because she talks about how to function if you're messy, how to clean up if you're messy. It's been actually really helpful for me personally to follow her steps, because I'm just not one of those people that just clean a clean house, sis. It's just not in my nature. Not that there's anything wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with any of us. You know, all of us are different, but it feels so good to get this done, y'all. Oh, now enough of me yapping. Let me go ahead and eat our wonderful, delicious Green Chef meal, and then I'll organize the camping stuff. So I put all the camping stuff over here, okay? And I bought these 2 bins. I ran to Costco and got these. They're $8 each. I'm going to try to fit as much as I can in these bins. Of course, our larger chairs and the rugs and stuff aren't going to fit. Like, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, my family's going on an epic first time camping adventure. It's really glamping. There's going to be 11 of us, so I have a lot of stuff. I did a whole video about the stuff that I bought so far. You can tap this out right here to watch it. But as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and see what I could fit in there. All right, to say that we are going glamping is an understatement, girl. This is just the stuff that I bought for the past few months. Not few months, maybe 6 weeks or so. It's a lot. This doesn't even include our tent, our sleeping cots, the camping kitchen, the screen tent. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Most of the stuff that's in here is for our personal tent, like the rugs and little tables, camping tables and all that. Now, I haven't taken everything out of the packaging, and that will give me a lot more room. Just yet, I will. Some of this is games and more lanterns, a comforter. I am going to use vacuum seal bags for like our sheets and our blanket and stuff like that. So it's a lot, girl. This camping trip is going to be epic. But as of right now, it's just going to sit here, and I think I'm going to have my husband move the chairs in the garage. This stuff I still need to like unpack. This isn't how I'm going to pack everything. I'm going to show you guys. A lot of you guys were asking like, how are you going to fit all this? We have 3 vehicles, 2 SUVs and a Ford F-150. So if we cannot fit everything for a 3-day camping trip in that, then we have a problem. But it's all good. So like, I just leave this here now. It's better here than it was in here. You remember how it looked. So I'm just happy that this is done. This was a huge check off my list. Thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to click the link in the description box. You can get $90 off of your first box. It's really convenient, especially for someone like me where I just don't want to think about it, think about dinner and think about what I'm gonna make and thinking about doing the grocery shopping. It's helpful because it takes something off of my plate. So thank you so much to Green Chef for sponsoring. Now, to my subscribers who have been supporting my channel, for commenting, for liking, for watching, I appreciate all of you. And because of that, I'm doing a small giveaway in the description box. So thank you for watching till the end. Make sure to click the link in the description box so you can enter the giveaway. Hopefully this will be a blessing to you. I'm going to be doing this more and more on my channel for those who've been watching and watch till the end and support me. So I appreciate you guys and I want to show that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.